Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Jeep app not working. So if you're currently having problems with your Jeep app that it's not working and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So firstly, what I did myself is that I closed my Jeep app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And now on my settings app, then what I did in here is that I just scrolled down and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general because as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just simply scroll down in here, and then you're going to click where it says storage. So just click on storage in here, and as you can see, it should now take you to this page. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just swipe up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So click on the search bar, search for Jeep in here, and then you're going to firstly click on offload app. Then once again, click on offload app in here, and then click on the reinstall app button here once again, and just simply wait for it to completely now update to its latest version, because by doing this you're going to get the absolute latest version for your Jeep app, and it's going to fix all the bugs that was in the previous one basically. So I did this myself, and afterwards I just went back into my Jeep app and now it was working for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.